कुठ्ठाळे सेंट एंथनी पोल्ट्री फार्मात काम करपी कामगारांचेर अनवळख्या कडच्यान सुरी हल्लो. मूळ ओडिसाचो 22 वर्सां पिरायेचो अनिल मुथामाजी सोंपलो.
Yesterday afternoon at around 12 o'clock, two unknown persons they trespassed at the poultry farm of one Mr. Anthony Siqueira, and they attacked two workers with knives. And in that attack, one person has succumbed to injuries while the other person is undergoing treatment. So we have registered an offence in this regard, and we have some clues, and we are hopeful of detecting this case very soon.
Anything else you have got to during interrogation?
No, we are on positive lines. We will detect the case.
कोई दो अनजान आदमी आके उसको मार के चले गए हैं. 4 बार चाकू लगा उसको सीने में 3 बार और पीछे से पीठ पे 1 बार, और मेडिकल में जाते जाते उसका देहांत हो गया.
ते खंय फुकट चिकन मागताले म्हूण चर्चा सुरू आसात, मात त्या संबंधीत पुलिसांकडच्यान क्लॅरिफिकेशन येना.
सर कशें चिकना बद्दल कितें आयकूंक येयल्लें अशें?
No, we don't. That could be just under the pretext of buying chicken for free. Just to strike the conversation, they might have entered, but that cannot be a motive of crime because it's a gruesome, heinous crime.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नाईक.